always stay reppin' that S&P, and I just can't thank you all enough. Damn, the taste of victory is sweet, just wait till I really get up on my feet. I got some heat for the beat and the groove to make you wanna move to the tune of the smooth grooving. It sounded quite moving, but nowadays the real is what they're not choosing. Yeah, it's just confusing to me. It's like these rap cats not even trying to prove to be a different breed of MC. They all thinking typically as soon as they spit their bars, man, you can see exactly where their whole style came from and who they stealing they slang from. You call them out and they try to play dumb. It's like, oh, now you ain't got nothing to say, huh? You done forgot your rhymes and wasted your time trying to portray another kind. Fuck the rest, they on your grind. Think differently within your mind and you realize that victory's what you'll then find. I take my time, no need to rush to the finish line. I'm in my prime, I'm not rushing to try and finish mine. I'm cooking up extra shit, there's more than enough to go around at dinner time. You must remember I'm that nice guy that didn't finish last. More like about to triple lap your ass with some classics I got tucked up in the stash. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll be more than happy to answer them fast. Cats is lost thinking that the answer is cash. Don't get me wrong, I'd be lying if I said I didn't want to make millions. But more than money saved, I want to save children. I hope you all have a common feeling. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep progressing with the scale until everyone knows the deal and they taking me for real. I know you're hungry, you searching for a homemade meal. Look no further, I can provide something that will fill the minds of the people. I'm about to creep in while everyone remains asleep, yo. I'm here now and don't no one even know that this is how I get down in that. This is how I flow, this ain't for show. This is my lifestyle for show, and I'm very particular about how I let it go. So I'm gonna continue to grow, conduct my craft on the low and teach you all how to take it slow so that your time doesn't fly out the window. That's why I take this pen and pad and dig into the mental, cause I was meant to truly express myself and all the things that I've been through. Always remember, the biggest victory of all is always being you.
Real shit, nigga.